In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks ClickUp. If your workspace is starting to feel cluttered with duplicates or closely related items, grouping them by merging is a quick way to clean things up and keep progress in one place. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you can do it confidently without losing important details. Start by opening the space that contains the tasks you want to combine. A space is the higher-level home for your work, so make sure you're in the right area before you begin. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct list or folder inside that space so the tasks you need are visible. Now, select the tasks you want to merge. Use the checkboxes to the left of each task name to pick them. Choose items that truly belong together, like duplicates created by different teammates or subtasks that have evolved into the same work. It's worth pausing here to scan the titles and any key fields so you don't accidentally include something unrelated. Once your tasks are checked, look for the bulk actions bar that appears. Click the More menu to open additional options. This is where ClickUp tucks away the advanced actions you don't use every day, and it's the gateway to combining selected tasks. If you don't immediately see the bar or the menu, make sure at least 2 tasks are selected. That's what triggers the bulk tools to show up. From the More menu, choose Merge. You may be prompted to confirm which task should be considered the primary one. Pick the task with the most complete title, description, and fields, since the final item will inherit that core identity. Before confirming, review the details on screen. Merging typically consolidates information like descriptions, comments, and attachments into a single task, helping you keep a clean history. Because merging is often permanent, double-check that your selected tasks truly belong together and that you're comfortable with the final result. After the merge completes, take a quick look at the combined task. Verify that the assignees, due dates, and key custom fields look right, and that nothing critical went missing. If anything needs a tweak, you can adjust it immediately so your team sees the most accurate picture. That's it. By choosing the right space, selecting the tasks you want, opening the More menu, and clicking Merge, you can group related tasks into one clear, trackable item. Use this whenever you spot duplicates or overlapping work, and your ClickUp will stay organized, focused, and easy to manage.